And here we go. Right, I'm going to go and get some petrol. Triumph Street Triple RX. Triumph. And I've put the microphone on the right hand side, so hopefully you can hear me bike. So we'll have to see how this all goes to plan. Oh, Almaty Bank. It's like someone's doing a music video. Might take the scenic route since it's such a pleasant night. I'm wearing a mask. A mask like it looks like a bit like a skeleton or skeletor. So people look at me a bit funny. If you notice people give me funny looks, that's why. Rather that or I'm ugly. Oh. Building absolutely everywhere at the minute, like. My visor's up at the minute, so let's see what it's like. See if there's any difference when it goes down. I'll go give it a bit first so you can hear. Indicators, mate, indicators. Right, so this is the visor up. And then when you open her up, she sounds grunty. Watch. Grunty that, innit? I hope there's not too much wind. What a lovely day for a ride. Road be topping. Yeah, I'm near a bit of wind there, but hopefully it's not too bad. I hope this is sticking on. It feels like this is sticking on alright as well, the GoPro. GoPro Hero, I think it's a Hero 5 Black Edition. Oh. People. This bike just handles mint. Just wants to lean all the time. It's brilliant. It is a nice bike to ride. Where's he going? Oh, howdy man, where you going, son? Get off your phone. I bet he's on his phone. That's a good. Only when you're riding a motorbike, you see people on the phones all the time. I'm only going to get fuel. I've gone the longest way in the world, but doesn't matter when you're on your bike, does it? I'll have a few drinks about that night. With the sun being out, like. I'll fill my bike up. And this is the world famous Roseby Topping. Go again. Bike's full. Wait there, Mr. Land Rover. So that's better fuel. I feel a difference in that fuel, I think, mate. Good stuff, miles better. So like, well, you'll pay about an extra £1 or so, but I think you can feel a difference. Don't want to be losing my wallet. I hope you can still hear me there with all this wind, because there's a lot of wind here at the minute. So I hope you can hear me. I don't reckon you will. See how good this microphone is and how good the GoPro can pick us up, but there's quite a lot of wind at the minute, and I don't have a head. I don't have anything to deflect the wind, so it's smack bang in the middle. Hopefully you can still hear me though. If not, we'll have to get something for it. Wind it up, man. Woohoo! Feels like you're flying. The only way to explain it. People say, why do you like motorbikes? Because it feels like you're flying. That's why. Like being Superman when you're a kid, but this is the real thing. Rather that or a fighter jet. The acceleration and power is unreal. Oh, I hope you can hear it. Like, sit out the back with my dad tonight because it's what it's all about. I spend some time with my dad, which one of my favourite things to do. So I am fully juiced up, ready to go. So this is the walk I used to do every night when I was at school, when I was younger. Brings back a couple of memories. This, like, never thought I'd be doing it on a Triumph. I always knew how to be on a bike, but I always thought a CBR, never a Triumph. Good thing about bikes, look at that view. That's a mint view. That is Middlesbrough. The old transporter bridge. Get skinny, man. Here's the road I grew up on.